Hello, I am Yoda Create by 3D Printing and today I'm going to explain to you what it is. 3D printing was created by the Japanese inventor Hideo Kodama in 1981. He invented it in order to be a faster way of creating prototypes for the development of products within the industry since 3D printing allows you to create objects by depositing layers of material that go one on top of the other.